Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save bookmarks in Google Chrome. I'll show you two different things for this. The first one is how to save an individual bookmark so it appears at the top of the Google Chrome tabs, and I will show you how to export those bookmarks into a folder on your computers. So first of all, you want to click on top right hand corner where we see three little dots. Click on that, and then you want to hover the mouse over the bookmark section. Then you want to click on either bookmark this tab or bookmark all tabs, depending on what you want. I think most of you will want to do bookmark this tab, and then you want to click on done. When it says bookmark added up here, you can change the folder if you want, but click down on that, and this is on the web page that you want to bookmark. Obviously, this example I'm picking Google. Then you go back there and click on bookmark manager. Then you will see that it's saved within here, and then you click on top right hand corner again and within three little dots, and then you can click on export bookmarks and go ahead and put it onto wherever you want on the device. Click save, and then it saves onto your device. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.